Welcome back to a new video friends. Today we are going to talk about Vivo phone setting. In this video guys we will talk about how to check RAM in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to check your phone RAM in Vivo phone, so how can you check? In this video guys you are going to watch how to check RAM in Vivo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now time to start video. First of all open your phone setting, then guys click on about phone. This about phone guys you can see in your phone last setting. Click here, then guys you can see your RAM 8 GB RAM guys you can check in your Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to check RAM in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel